So I wanted to show you guys a little example, I guess, of this little sticker book and kind of how I set it up. I did show this in a haul, or I'm going to be showing this in a haul. So I got this on Amazon for $10, and I think it's a really good deal. I'll go ahead and link this, and I think there's another color down below, but it has a laminated glitter cover, so it's like not like textured or anything, and then it has a bunch, it's like a sticker album. So I used to have one of these whenever I was younger, and I used to collect stickers, and I've been looking for something to store all of my sampler bits in, and I went ahead and took all of my samplers and kind of put them in categories, and then I took little labels from my kits that I had left over, so the ones that are up here, because I have a lot of those from other kits, and put those in. I took all my samplers and kind of organized them, and I also took all of the like munchkins and then also the like color coordinated scribblers that I had left over and put them in here as well. So I'm just going to do like a quick flip through. First I'm going to show you guys the samplers that I had, just so you guys can kind of see. I didn't use like every single sticker on all of them. Like there's some that have some left just because I knew that I wouldn't use them, so I figured I would, you know, throw away the ones that are empty, and then if there's any left, I will throw like any stickers left on the sheet, I'll throw them in my declutter pile. But I mean, this, like, I never go through this little stack, and I have so many samplers that I haven't even added in here yet. And also I always was like, oh dang, like I really love this little like there was some like special colored scribblers, and I'm like, I don't want to throw this away, but I want to save it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I did so far. So all I did was stick the little stickers on here. I do have to say that I feel like the matte ones don't stick as well, but I would just say whenever you put them on, just press them down, but they don't like come up. Like if you were to stick these on regular like sticker backing paper and you go like this, they would eventually start peeling up, and I feel like it's not as like safe. But I feel like with this, like you can see like none of the stickers are like peeling up or anything. So I did a little just a smidge. So I did a little like spending, like shopping page. I did a little workout one, a computer, and this is kind of like work. So you could definitely do like multiple categories, because this is just for like extra stickers. Then I did a Happy Meal page, and then, or you could even separate it by shop on the page if you wanted to. I didn't fill these out yet. I did do like a little celebrate area, and then I did do like the girls in their little dresses down here. I have cooking up top, eating, and then I just separated it just kind of a little bit by like shop almost. And then I have like chores, so I put a couple of the laundry ones down here. I don't normally use laundry stickers, so I just took two from the Fox and Pip, and then the rest are from Pigeon Paper Company, I think. And then I have like a doctor's one and a grocery shopping. And then over here, you guys can see that everyone likes to put some coffee stickers on their samplers. So I have a lot of coffee ones, and then I put like non-coffee drinks down below, planner stickers. So I just kind of like I just kind of randomly put them on the page, bows. And then these are all like emotions. And then I have like random, so I have some TV ones, sleeping ones, massage, payday, or like spending money, some random ones from Happy Day of stickers, little presents, reading stickers, and then purses. And then I have back here some holiday stickers. So I have some St. Patrick's Day ones and then some Christmas ones. And then I just went ahead and put labels on those pages there. But there's still, like, as you can see, I don't even think I used half the pages. There's still a ton of pages left. And I also think it would be cool to kind of like go through my my little stash, and if there's like any sticker sheets that have like 1 or 2 or 3 left, kind of put them in here, as well as like a kind of like get rid of area almost. Like this one here doesn't have a lot on it. And then like take these samplers out and put them in there. So just like kind of like that. And I also do have a couple of smaller sheets in there, but I just wanted to come on here and show you guys this really quick, just because I thought it was a cool idea, and I feel like I'm going to get a lot of questions on it, so I figured I would show you guys in one video. I'm going to actually wait to post this for like a week, just so that I can make sure like after a week I could still remove the stickers, but I really don't see there being a problem, just based on I can kind of tell like when a sticker is going to come up or not, and it like when it comes up, if I would have left it on there, if it would stay. So I will, if I put this video up, if you're seeing it right now, that means that I have tested it and the stickers do come up perfectly fine while still like sticking really well. Like I said, just press on them and they should stick. But I think this is a really cute idea to store your little samplers, or if you have, like I said, sheets that are running out and you want to declutter them, or let's say like you always are using a ton of a specific icon and you want to go ahead and save them for later, that would be another good idea. Whether it's, you know, something on the sampler like work labels, or like these little icons, little movie slates, like whatever you normally use a lot of and need more of, that's like a great way to save something. So just wanted to share this little idea with you guys and leave you guys links down below if you want to pick it up. But I am super impressed, and for 10 bucks I think it's a really great little organization tool, and it's very compact, easy to just throw over by my character stickers and not even worry about it. So I hope you guys like this video, and I will talk to you guys in my next one.